struggling with the time and effort required for model photography? Today, I'll show you how to use SellerPic's Instruct edit feature to perfectly meet your needs. First, select your preferred method to upload the model, whether it's from uploaded files, Shopify, or your device. You can enter your generation requirements in the chat box. With a maximum output of 4 images, the Flux.1 context model is ideal for simple and consistent adjustments. While GPT Image 1 excels in creativity and complex edits, it also supports 7 aspect ratios Pro export. Here is a tool helps you optimize your prompts. Click Generate and let's see the results. The model has been perfectly adjusted from standing to sitting. The AI-generated transformation from standing to sitting is incredibly seamless and natural. If you are not satisfied, you can click Remix to regenerate the prompt, or click here to regenerate the image. The posture adjustment looks so realistic, maintaining all the details of the outfit and overall composition perfectly. Finally, select your desired image and download it in high resolution. You can further enhance the image generation quality by providing more detailed and specific prompts like this. Additionally, you can explore other features, such as transform to 3D or change color. To unlock even more possibilities, give it a try today.